So the next step is to be done by your supplier or your vendor or your fulfillment partner. So now that they have all this information, they have all this unfulfilled order information, so they have the information enough to ship to the customer and the order information, everything. So now what they do is they need to ship it and they need to add the tracking number. And let's say this order 1059, it has a couple of items, and let's try to fulfill this one. And let's say, we'll just add a dummy tracking number, and let's say UPS. And here it says fulfillment quantity. Let's say, for example, this had 10 quantity, and the vendor can fulfill 5 at a time. So he can fulfill 5. Let's say here there's 10, and he can fulfill 5. And then it's still, so it will still show us pending. Five more is pending. So this product will still keep showing. So here now let's see how this is done. So let's see how the vendor can save this here. So once it's saved, it's done. So it's entered here. And now will it get fulfilled immediately? No. The reason is because it's set as manual. So refresh is set as manual. If you see here, this is set as manual. So we have to manually run this. So if you run this manually, and this will automatically get fulfilled in your Shopify admin panel. So let's say here 1059 and 1059, and this is the order. This is the product, the green socks, green gloves, sorry. And let's see whether it gets. So it's here. It's not fulfilled yet. So let's run it manually. Of course, there's an automation option also where you can set it for every hour and on, and I'll cover that in a different video, but this video just shows how to add tracking number. So let's say run now, and it says fulfillment in progress, and once that is done, we'll go refresh and see what happens to our order there, order status there. So it will take few seconds, I'm sorry, and if there's more orders, it will take few minutes, but everything is automated. So there you see 1059, the tracking number, it was fulfilled. There are still some more pending unfulfilled orders. So when you refresh this page, now see that is not there anymore. It's gone to the fulfilled order section. So these are fulfilled right now. So go back. So your vendor can even see which orders have been fulfilled and when it was fulfilled, at what time. And now these are the pending orders which they can fulfill. Let's go back to the order and see what the status is. See, this is not fulfilled still. So let's refresh and see what happened. You see that's not there anymore. Where is it? It's down here, fulfilled. So this was fulfilled. This was fulfilled earlier. This is fulfilled now. So this is how it happens. It's you don't need to manually do anything. It's automatically fulfilled. But for now, the process we have here. We go back to tasks. It's set as manual. We can automate this to be running automatically every 1 hour. So what happens? It will pick up any order that has a tracking number. It will pick that up and it will immediately fulfill that without you having to manually run this. So we'll cover that, the automatic fulfillment, in a different video.